I think is really thrilling news. I was driving by our burned house on the way to work, and I saw this. And y'all, that can only mean one thing, right? It can only mean they're rebuilding it. All right. The rumors of my demise have been greatly exaggerated. Look at all these men here working. You can't see all the materials piled up. They're there.
So here's your box head window going up into the cavity. I don't typically get to see it in action, but that's how it works. So that the bottom rail meets the top, and it's not a super high clearance, but you can walk in and out that window pretty easily.
Does it kind of roll up in there? You kind of. Take a little. Don't force it. Hey.
Is that the top of the
Just take. Does it fit on your end when you pull your?
It's good on It's real good on my end.
How's that looking?
There you go. It's in there.
I can't see it.
Got some background music too, John. This is the band, Kelly Harrod. Kelly, I did the math. Do you know how long we've been friends?
How long?
Guess. It's like 44
Yeah,
years.
I was gonna say, since like seventh. I was in
You were in
seventh
7th grade, I was in
You
8th
were in
grade. Yep, 44 years.
Unbelievable.
Can you believe it? Doesn't this
can't
man look
believe
like he's like 39 or
Yeah, whatever.
35 years old?
On.
So I took him to one of our favorite places. We're at Frankie's. Frankie's on Main. I take everybody here because it is a cool place.
Super cool.
He's getting to see Natchez this week, so I've got a friend in town, so it's laying in here.
Yeah, it's been awesome. Very cool. Loving the tours, and Kevin's a gracious host.
We got a full day tomorrow.
Yep, can't wait.
So we don't take Miss Tet with us since she's mostly wild when we go back to Conway, but it's always a game of when will Miss Tet come back. And she did come back yesterday. I got back the day before yesterday. So she back with her kittens, getting some food. They're very interested in her. And Sylvester's also come back. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Hey, say hey, mama. Say hi. No?
Here with my friend Kelly again. We're doing some houses in Natchez, and so I'm bringing him here to see our favorite Auburn, owned by the city, which we love. Did y'all hear that thunder? That's an exclamation point. So we're gonna go through and see Auburn on a little private tour. Isn't that cool?
That's incredible.
Kelly's liking Auburn.
This is amazing.
Yeah. To think that somebody carved all of that. Cypress is a pretty soft wood, so it's not terribly hard to carve. But this, and I showed him the book that Levi Weeks had, where they basically chose their little pattern. That's what I think our surround should look like, so. Yeah. Kelly, what'd you think?
Man, that was just incredible.
It's a good house, isn't it?
Amazing, amazing. The architecture, the intricacy, the hand carving.
Yeah.
I'm blown away.
Yeah, that's just one of 20 houses in Natchez. We're gonna see about two more today, maybe.